everyone, today I'm going to show you how to plot data or create a chart in Google Sheets. So what you want to do first of all is make sure your internet connection is on. Then open up the sheet with the data you'd like to plot to turn into the chart. Then select the data range. When you're selecting this, make sure to select the top as well, the headers. I'm just going to select this whole data. Once you've done that, head over to Insert, click on that, and select Charts. I need to create these charts for you. You can customize this in many ways. If you'd like, you could, since we selected the headers here in row 1, you can tick this box that says use row 1 as headers. And if you'd like, you could scroll up here to chart type and you can change it from column chart to line, area, bar, pie, whatever you want. I'm just going to go with this under the line option. You can choose any one you want and head to customize. Here you can just customize it however you'd like. I think I'm just going to leave mine as is. You could change the background color if you'd like, but I think this is quite okay. But if you'd like to change the background color, simply click on chart style and you can select any background color from here. You can select black. You can select anything you want. And under chart and axis title, you can name your chart. I'm just going to name this item chart and it will show up at the top right here. You can also change the title font to whatever you'd like and the text color or the text font size if you want it bigger or smaller. So you can just experiment, go through these different options, these different settings. And if you ever make a mistake that you'd like to undo, simply click on this undo here or Ctrl Z to undo whatever you did. And that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.